When people move to a new space, they search for a sense of belonging, like migration. According to J. McGregor Weiss, we can define home as our territory, which makes us feel safe. Displace the space can mean be in a place where you are not familiar. In terms of language, as Jacques Lacan said about how language can create identity, people who move into a new place will somehow understand language in that place automatically through the time being, in order to not displace and create their own identity for living in that place. As the time passes, the development of media and technology makes people expand their space, learning language, or be in other places more easier. This phenomenon is also one of the mediums that makes language develop more further. After that, language starts to change its form and have different meanings, which leads us to one kind of language called slang. From the article said that slang is a social phenomenon that serves the social nature of language. Jonathan Leiter and Bethany Dumas point out that slang cannot be identified by any appeal to form, and for that, we choose to use geometric form to metaphor it as a development of how slang happened. Slang is the sample of how language and words start to break out of the rule, and is not formally used. For that, we set the frame as a formal and correct area of language. We make the shape goes out of the frame different from one another in order to emphasize that slang is different from normal words. It has many meanings and can make the conversation more playful to hear. As a social phenomenon that happens with a certain social group, slang often happens in a short period of time and vanish away. We also use the property of stare to create a loop, to represent that slang happened, gone, and will come back again.